When it comes to keeping track of your entire financial life, knowing how often your bank updates its information is key. If you're a Lunar user who's linked accounts from other banks, you've probably wondered, just how fresh is this data? The short answer is, Lunar fetches your data every time you log into the app. This is a deliberate, user-centric approach. Instead of running a constant, draining background sync, Lunar works on demand. When you open the app, it triggers a refresh, reaching out to your linked banks through secure open banking protocols to pull in the latest transactions and balances. This means the moment you check your Lunar app, you're seeing data that is as up-to-date as the last time you opened it. What if you haven't opened the app for a while, and the latest transaction isn't showing up? Lunar makes it simple. You have the option to manually relink or reauthorize the account directly in the app to force an immediate, full sync. Now, there's a related, very important point that impacts all banks using open banking, the reauthorization period. Due to regulatory technical standards from the PSD2 directive in Europe, even though Lunar syncs on your login, the consent you give for Lunar to access your other bank's data is only valid for a fixed period, typically 180 days. So, here's the full picture. 1. Sync frequency asterisk every time you log into the Lunar app. 2. Manual sync asterisk you can relink the account in the app for an immediate, forced sync if you think something is missing. 3. Required reconsent asterisk you'll need to grant new access via MIT-ID, Bank ID, or NIM ID roughly every 180 days, as mandated by financial regulations, to keep the connection active at all. This approach gives you a balance of real-time control when you need it, and regulatory-mandated security to ensure your data access is always with your current permission. It's all part of making multi-bank management seamless and secure.